also, it's super hot outside today. It's like 81 degrees, and I'm like sweating. So we're gonna make like a blueberry buckle, I guess, and iced blueberry lemonade. Okay guys, the first step is to zest the lemon. I added my lemon zest and my sugar, and I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna add in my butter and one egg. Now this part may be a little confusing, but so I'll let my mixture here kind of bake for a while. And this mixture right here is my flour mixture, and it has flour, baking powder, and salt in it. And then I also have a little milk and milk. So we're gonna add everything together and alternate between my flour mixture and my milk. So yeah. Okay, so now my batter looks kind of good. And so I got my blueberries that are covered in some flour. Okay guys, I kind of forgot to film a bit, but alright, so here's what I've done. So I made this like crumble for on top, and yeah, and I spread it all over the top it up with a little more lemon zest and a couple more blueberries, and I preheated the oven, and I'm waiting for it to be done, and then I'll put this into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. And while it bakes, I think I'm gonna make blueberry lemonade. But first I have to clean up. That's just the worst part of baking, cleaning up. Or, so I'm not really using a recipe. I'm just gonna like combine every recipe together. We'll see how it goes. My sugar with the lemon to make the syrup. So instead, we're gonna use this plastic thing. So yeah. So now I juice my lemon. So I got this one from the one I zested for the blueberry buckle. So now I'm gonna juice it. I got my lemon juice. My syrup is ready. All the sugar dissolves into the water. Okay, I'm just gonna pour my syrup into my lemon juice. This one's really good. Then I add like 2 more cups of water. And then as mentioned, I'm gonna beat up some blueberries. I think I might like regret this or whatever, but I'm doing this. So instead of like mashing it, I put it in my food processor. So now I'm gonna add it in. It looks so gross right now, but like, it tastes so good. So I'm gonna mix it. Now it's like purple water with, of course, blueberry skin, but of course I'm gonna put it through a sifter. And yeah. Okay guys, so I used a sifter and I got out all of like the gross chunks, and now it looks so good. Like it's actually crazy though. But on camera it was purple, but it's actually like this pretty pink in real life. So yeah, I really like it. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sweating in this 80-degree weather. It's like summer, but it's only May. Also, it snowed in May, so I don't know what's going on, but we're in a heat wave. But the cobblers came out of the buckles came out of the oven, and it's so good. Here's what it looks like, the finished product. Like half of it's already gone, because it's pretty good. Alright, so this is what my family said. My mom didn't say anything. She's like, oh, it's kind of good. My brother said, wow, this is actually good, which is kind of rude, but I'll take it as a compliment. My sister said it's the best thing I ever made. So yeah, it's really good, and I'll post the recipe down below. I think it's safe to say that Blueberry Day was a success. So this is what my blueberry lemonade came out to be. And it's also really good. So yeah, blueberry day was a success. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment. And just say hi. Bye.